Shravan Kumar, hospitality consultant from Excellence Hospitality, Hyderabad. I am also the president of the Food Service Consultants Association of India. I am here on an invitation and it's been great being here. Traveling down from Hyderabad has been worth a visit. I came here because of a lot of curiosity that has been created. That's converted into excitement now. And we need to work together to understand in-depth technicalities of this new product or a new solution, as I would like to call, and see that how we will widen it in our installations all over the country. Main advantage is you made it compact. Second advantage is you made it very portable. Third advantage is it's a quick installation. Best wishes. I am sure this product and solution will rock, and Pune Gas, the vision of being the first Indian MNC in this arena, will come fruitful, truthful, and we'll be here to witness and congratulate once again on that.